5 divided by 5 equals 1. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 divided by 1 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have 3 division operators present. So what we do is we should work from left to right to solve this. So we need to solve this division first, because that is on the left side. So 5 divided by 5, that gives us 1. Our expression becomes 1 divided by 2 divided by 2. Now this 1 divided by 2 is on the left side, so we need to solve this, and it can be written as 1 over 2, and then we have divided by 2 present from the original expression. And finally, there is a division operator present here, but we do have fractions involved too. So what we can do is we can use KCF rule: keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep the first fraction 1 over 2 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip 2 over 1 as 1 over 2. Now we have multiplication operator present in between the fractions, and what we can do is we can multiply the numerators. So 1 times 1 equals 1, and we can multiply the denominators. So 2 times 2 equals 4, and we get 1 over 4, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.